All right, guys. So, Smash, let's go, Mo. What's up? How y'all doing? So, I'm getting ready to install my carbon fiber dashboard. It is OEM. It's factory. It just took a second for it to get here, just like my carbon fiber hood and some other things. So, I'm getting ready to install it, and yeah, here we go. But I have already popped off this first piece here, and back up in there are some bolts that I will have to get out. I don't know if you can see back up into there, but there are some bolts back up in there. I'm sorry guys, let me try to work this camera a little bit better for you. Back in there that I have to get out, and then that will release this. And yeah, so I'm gonna see if I've got the right pieces for it, and I'm gonna get to it. Got my handy dandy Walmart kit here. Got other tools, but I didn't feel like getting into all that when I got this thing sitting here. So I'm gonna see how this works out. It's too big. Now these are all 7 millimeters, guys. But I did not feel like going to find my other tools or going to the store real quick. I may have to do that though, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. The goal is not in any way to strip these bolts. Yeah, here we go. Alrighty. Get this guy here good and loose. Okay. Get the other one over here good and loose. Actually, I'm gonna unplug this. Guys, I had to put some zip ties on my deal here because my phone flies out of there when I hit the gas. So I had to put some zip ties on to try to keep my phone in place. I know that may seem a tad bit ghetto or whatever, but it is what it is. It works. Okay, now let me see about getting this bad boy off of here. All right, nice and easy. If you can see that, go ahead and drop these 2 screws out of here, and this thing come out nice and easy. I'm gonna set it here to rest, and then I'm gonna drop these screws in here. I'm gonna cover this here screen just to make sure nothing happens to it. Then we are going to, and as y'all can see, this is a straight run through, man. I hadn't stopped the video or anything. I am going to stop the video for a quick second to run back in the house and grab the carbon fiber piece. I left it in the house, but otherwise this is all real time, real speed. It's really this easy. It's really this fast. I am not a automotive professional at all. I simply like to take things apart and put them back together, and I'm okay at it. So this is a simple job. If you are somebody that has the ability to take things apart and put them back together, this is not a very difficult job. I watched a video on this for about 5 minutes, and here I am. So and boom, voila, guys, there is your factory piece. That's what my GoPro here. Here is your factory piece. Here's what it looks like underneath. So I'm gonna run in the house real quick and get that carbon fiber piece, and then I'm gonna get these switched out. Alrighty guys, so I'm back. Went and got the carbon fiber piece out the house. Had to switch this out. All you do to switch this out, guys, is you press these little clips. There's another one there, and there's two more on this side, there and there. You just press those clips in and you just push it out forward and stick it back in the same way. Now we're gonna put this thing back on, so I'm gonna put you back on my head. Alrighty, so now you just go in reverse, clipping in. Oh. There we go. I'll have to clean this up when I'm done, but that looks good, man. And then soon I'll have all the rest of my pieces and stuff here, and we'll be all completed. But that does look good. Now, whenever you screw this thing back in, it might be, you can see there's a gap here, and I'm thinking that it might be a good idea to try to hold that up towards that gap while you put this thing back in, just so that way you can minimize that gap there. We'll see how it works out. And again, guys, all this stuff was in real time, except for me going out to get it and going in the house to get it and coming back. Everything else, all this stuff is in real time. No delays or breaks. It's really this easy, really this fast. Okay, now put this bad boy back in there. Voila. Carbon fiber dash. This is a factory carbon fiber dash. This is how the car comes from the dealership. Whew. It matches the carbon fiber hood insert to the tick. Yeah. Let's get all this stuff back in here. The screws. Oh. I don't think this is the magnetic one, guys, which sucks, but hey. Oh, I'm not even in that hole there. Okay, so I'm gonna assume the best way to go about this is wait, what? Okay, I'm gonna assume the best way to go about this is to drop these in before you put this bad boy back in there. I think that's probably gonna be your best bet. I'm not gonna tell you it's gonna be easy, because obviously it is not being the easiest for me. So this one part, guys, could take you a second. Otherwise, this job is easy peasy. Otherwise, the job is easy peasy. This thing got the magnet on it. Yeah, it doesn't. And there's one. It took a lot, didn't it, guys? Let's hope this one doesn't take as much. There we go. This one was a lot easier once you figure out the, you know, once you get it figured out, it's a lot easier. Get them started, and then finish them up. You don't crank down on them too tight. It says plastic you're working against, so you don't want to crank it down too tight. You don't want to crack it or break it. But you want your shit to be secure, though, of course. Can you just pop this little piece back on? I don't know if I have the camera rolling when I pop this little deal off here, guys, but this goes right here. Real simple, pop on and pop off. It'll kind of scare you when you're first taking it off, make you think you're about to break it, but you're not. You just kind of gotta trust it, you know. You just pop it back on like that, and we are back to how we were. All finished. Factory carbon fiber dash matches the carbon fiber hood to the T. I laid it on it and it matches it perfectly. Sorry I did not get you guys interior footage before I swapped that thing out, but let me go ahead and get you a quick run around of the car. So it's this side of my car, as you can see. It's got my carbon fiber dash in there now. I got the red knee pads. I got the carbon fiber pieces coming in for this stuff. So yeah, there's not a whole lot of cockpit in here, so there's not a whole lot for you to see, you know. It's my back seats, not a whole lot going on back there, you know, but this is the car, guys. Sunroof, of course. This is the interior of the car. I'll step out so you can, sun's kind of shining on you, making it hard for you to see it, but this is the interior of the car. This is the new carbon fiber dash. Yeah, let's go, Mo.